Hi, in this video session I am going to explain extra questions in trigonometry. Extra questions in trigonometry. The first question is like this. If sine theta equal to 12 by 13 and theta is acute, find cos theta and tan theta. Here we are using in 8.1 we are using triangular method, and normally we can use triangular method or identity methods. Better identity methods are better. See cos theta and tan theta. Please see that what is cos theta. Cos theta and sin theta ka relation. So cos theta equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So tan theta and sin theta relation. Like this we are going to check it over. So given sin theta equal to 12 by 13. So what is cos theta? Cos theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Now root of 1 minus 12 by 13 whole square, that is root of 1 minus 144 by 169, like this. So 169 minus 144 by 169. So like this you are going to do. So root of 25 by 169. So that cos theta equal to 25 by 169 square root means this is 5 by 13. 5 by 13. If you take triangular also, opposite, suppose this is theta, this is 12 and 13 means this is 5. Normally you can do it in triangular method also. So next one is tan theta. Already you know about the cos theta, take the cos theta help. So cos theta equal to 5 by 13. So secant theta means 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta means it is reciprocal of this secant theta. So the take it the reciprocal. So 13 by 5. 13 by 5. Now what is tan theta? Tan theta and secant theta ka relation. Root of secant square theta minus 1. This is the relation between tan and secant. Tan theta equal to root of secant square theta minus 1. So what is the value of secant square theta? 13 by 5 whole square minus 1. So root of 169 by 25 minus 1. So root of 169 minus 25 by 25. So root of 144 by 25. So root of 144 by 25 means it is 12 by 5. It is nothing but tan theta. So tan theta means you can do like this. Take the help of cos theta, convert it into secant theta, then go to tan theta equal to this one. Other method also there. That is tan theta equal to sin theta into secant theta. This is the shortest method. Sin theta means 12 by 13 into secant theta means 13 by 5. So 13 cancel, 12 by 5. This is also there. So before trigonometric identities, in that last video I explained trigonometric ratios, conversion of trigonometric ratios and everything. So if you feel this is the lengthy, you can do it like this. Tan theta, if you know the formula, first ratios, understanding of ratios very important. Relation between the ratios. What is the conversion? Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta ko sin into 1 by cos theta. So sin theta into secant theta equal to tan theta. Like this, if you know the conversions, it is very easy to do like this also. So otherwise you can do this method. Okay. In this question, if tan theta equal to 7 by 24, theta is acute, find sin theta and cosecant theta. Again, you can take 7 and 24, 25 Pythagorean triplets, we can do it. So automatically the hypotenuse is 25. We can do it in triangular method. While you are using identities, how can we do? So we want sin theta. Sin theta means So what is the relation between sin theta and tan theta? So just you think tan theta to secant theta, secant theta to cos theta, cos theta to sin theta. This is the procedure. After getting sin theta, so we are going to take a cosecant theta because sin theta ka reciprocal is cosecant theta, like this. This is the algorithm. What steps while we are following? Tan theta to secant theta, secant theta to cosecant theta, cosecant theta to sin theta, sin theta to cos theta to sin theta, sin theta to cosecant theta. Like this you are going to follow. So first of all, tan theta equal to 7 by 24. So we are going to get secant theta. Secant theta means 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta means root of 1 plus 7 by 24 whole square. So root of 1 plus 49 by 576. That means root of 576 plus 49 by 576. So this is root of 625 by 576. It is nothing but 25 by 24. This is secant theta. Secant theta equal to 25 by 24. What is cos theta? Cos theta equal to, otherwise you can utilize tan theta, secant theta, we get sin theta also. So tan theta by secant theta equal to sin theta. You can utilize getting sin theta directly. Suppose if you take sin theta value, sin theta by sin theta into cos theta, like this it will come. Secant theta equal to 25 by 24. So cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta, that equal to 24 by 25. What is sin theta? Sin theta equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. So root of 1 minus 24 by 25 whole square. So root of 1 minus 576 by 625. So root of 625 minus 576 by 625. So root of it is 49 by 625. So that sin theta equal to 7 by 25. So what about cosecant theta? Cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. So that 25 by 7. So 7 by 25 sin theta and cosecant theta is 25 by 7. In this question, if cot theta equal to 3 by 4 and theta is acute, find cosecant theta. So you know that direct relation is there. So given cot theta equal to 3 by 4, so cosecant theta equal to root of cot square theta plus 1. So root of 3 by 4 whole square plus 1. Root of 9 by 16 plus 1. So 9 plus 16, 16 ones are 16 plus 9. So it is 25 by 16, we get 5 by 4. So cosecant theta equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4. In this question, cos theta equal to root 3 by 2 and theta is acute, 4 sin square theta plus tan square theta. So you are going to extract theta value because root 3 by 2 is in the table of cos theta. That is cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That's why theta value is 30. You can produce here 30 and 30, we can get the answer. One method. Another method is take the cos theta help, find the sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. That method also there. So please see in this solution, cos theta equal to root 3 by 2 means cos theta equal to cos 30 degrees. So theta equal to 30 degrees. So 4 sin square theta plus tan square theta means 4 sin square 30 plus tan square 30. Sin 30 means 1 by 2 whole square, because whole square is there, that's why, plus 1 by root 3 whole square. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3. So 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. So 4 cancel, 1 plus 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3. 3 1 are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. This is one method. If you take cos theta directly, root 3 by 2, second method. Otherwise method 2. So sin theta value is root of 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus root 3 by 2 whole square. So 1 minus 3 by 4. So 4 1s are 4 minus 3 means 1 by 4 will be there. So 1 by 2. So sin theta value is 1 by 2. Sin theta. What about tan theta? Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So 1 by root 3. See, here also 1 by 2, 1 by root 3. Here also 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So substituting these values, 4 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by root 3 whole square. So 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. That is 4 cancel, 1 plus 1 by 3. It is nothing but 4 by 3. This is one method. You are using identities. Here using extract the theta value. So any method you can do it. This is second method. This is the first method. If you are interested in this method, you can do it. Otherwise, you can do it in this method. Any method is better. Both are same. In this question, if sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, actually this is the rule. So this is the one type of formula also. Show that sin theta minus cos theta whole square equal to 1 minus sin 2 theta, and this is sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus sin theta minus cos theta whole square equal to 2 sin 2 theta. So here it is very easy. This is a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Here the first question, sin theta minus cos theta whole square equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, because a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 1 minus, what is 2 sin theta cos theta? Sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta. This is the first one. In second one, sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So in previous videos I told that about algebraic expressions, algebraic identities, sorry. In algebraic identities, you must learn algebraic identities, because this is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So if you know that a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, if after expanding a square b square will cancel, minus of minus, it is plus, so 4ab will be there. In the same manner, you can do it, a as a sin theta, b as a cos theta. So 4 into sin theta into cos theta. But answer is 2 sin 2 theta. So you can write it 2 into sin theta cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So that 2 sin 2 theta. You can do it like this. So a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square means 4ab formula. So 4ab means 4 into sin theta into cos theta. So 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 into sin theta cos theta means sin 2 theta. Already it is given. So that sin 2 sin 2 theta. In these two questions, first question, the sixth question, show that cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 1 minus sin theta by cos theta, and show that secant theta minus 1 by secant theta plus 1 equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. These two questions. First observe that this one to this one means you can cross multiply it. Cos square theta equal to 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta means 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta equal to cos square theta. That is one method. Otherwise, you can rationalize, that is, take the conjugate of 1 plus sin theta and multiplied and divided by this LHS side, we get this question, this answer. In this answer, in this question also, secant theta means 1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta. After taking LCMs and everything, numerator, denominator, cos theta is the common, that's why denominators will be cancelled. We get direct answer. This is one method. Here, solution. cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. If you take LHS, cos theta by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. So multiple and divide because conjugate of 1 plus sin theta. So cos theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 a plus b into a minus b means 1 minus sin square theta. That is cos theta into 1 minus sin theta by cos square theta. That means cos theta into 1 minus sin theta by cos theta into cos theta. These two are cancelled, we get LHS, that is 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. This is RHS. This is one method. This is one method. If you go to another method, suppose cross multiplication. So you take cross multiplication, cos square theta equal to 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. So that this is 1 minus sin square theta, so cos square theta equal to cos square theta. So this is proved. Both are same answers. And this is the solution. Please see, take the LHS, secant theta minus 1 by secant theta plus 1. So 1 by cos theta minus 1 numerator, this is denominator, 1 by cos theta plus 1. So 1 minus cos theta by cos theta by 1 plus cos theta by cos theta. Cos theta cancel. So that 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is 7th question answer. In these two questions, show that 1 plus secant theta by secant theta equal to sin square theta by 1 minus cos theta. You can prove separately, we can get the answers. Otherwise, from here to here we can travel. But here we get here 1 plus cos theta will come, so that conjugate 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, so multiple karke you can get this answer. I will show how can we do it. So first of all, LHS 1 plus secant theta by secant theta. That means 1 minus, you can split these fractions, secant theta by secant theta. So these two are cancelled, cos theta plus 1 will be there. Same as RHS, sin square theta by 1 minus cos theta, sorry. So 1 minus cos square theta, sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta by 1 minus cos theta. That means 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. These two are cancelled, we get 1 plus cos theta. This is RHS and LHS. Both answers are same. So LHS equal to RHS. This is one method. We can do it in this method also. Right? Then how can we do next method? Please see, the secondary is solution 1 plus secant theta by secant theta. Means we are going to do split this fraction, secant theta by secant theta. These two are cancelled. Cos theta plus 1, that means nothing but 1 plus cos theta. So you are going to 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Like this. So both are cancelled, means we can get this answer. So 1 minus cos square theta by 1 minus cos theta. That is sin square theta by 1 minus cos theta. This is another method. From left to right we are going to travel like this. Okay. Now next question. Cos cube theta plus sine cube theta means a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus a. This is the formula. So here cos cube theta plus sine cube theta equal to, in the place of you write cos theta plus sine theta. So next one is cos square theta sine square theta minus cos theta into sine theta. So this one nothing to do, directly you can write cos theta plus sine theta into, these two are 1 minus cos theta into sine theta. This is purely a cube plus b cube formula, a cube plus b cube formula. In these two questions, show that root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta. Here we are taking that 1 plus cos theta is there. Take the conjugate, that is 1 minus cos theta, multiple and divided with these two fractions. So these two fractions we get this answer. Please see. Solvation LHS. Root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So here 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. It is nothing but rationalization because we are going to remove the square roots, that's all. So this is 1 minus cos theta whole square by a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus cos square theta. So root of 1 minus cos theta by sine square theta, we can write it otherwise like this, sine square theta. After getting square, removing the squares, that means square root, we get 1 minus cos theta by sine theta. 1 minus cos theta by sine theta. Otherwise you can write like this, no problem, whole square. So 1 minus cos theta by sine theta. Split the fractions. 1 by sine theta minus cos theta by sine theta. So 1 by cos theta means cosecant theta minus cot theta. This is RHS. LHS to RHS. Just you analyze this formula. Cos theta is given, convert into cosecant theta. Suppose sine is also given. In 8.4 exercise we did like this. Okay. The next question is, different types of questions also there like this question. So please see, in this question secant square plus cosecant square equals secant square into cosecant square. That means you convert into basic, that means sine and cos. So 1 by cos square theta, 1 by sine square theta, reciprocals. So already you know that sine square ones are sine square plus cos square ones are cos squares theta by cos square theta into sine square theta. Just remember a by b plus c by d, AD. First you complete like this, BC plus BC by BD. This is the only formula. Any fraction, no problem. So this one is now 1 by cos square theta into sine square theta. So 1 by cos square theta into 1 by sine square theta. So that it is secant square theta into cosecant square theta. This is RHS. LHS to RHS, we can do it like this. In these two questions, show that 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. You can change any one, you can get this answer. Here LHS 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1. So one same you write like this, tan square theta, no problem. This cot theta converts into tan square theta, 1 by tan square theta. So 1 minus tan square theta by tan square ones are tan square, so 1 minus tan square theta by tan square theta. This is the denominator. Now denominator reciprocal, so 1 minus tan square theta into tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta. These two are cancelled, we get tan square theta. This is 12th question. In 13th question, please see that a requirement is secant theta. So to remove sine and tan, we get that answer. So here see how can we get sine theta into tan theta, LHS I am taking, by 1 minus cos theta. Sine theta into sine theta by cos theta. This is numerator by denominator. So this cos can come down, so that sine square theta by cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Sine square means 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here a square minus b square. This is 1 means 1 square. That's why we can write 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, so we get 1 plus cos theta by cos theta. Split the fractions. 1 by cos theta by cos theta. So these two are cancelled. 1 plus 1 by cos theta means secant theta. So 1 by 1 plus secant theta. This is RHS. So first observe that sine, tan, cos is there. Requirement is secant. So first of all I remove this tan theta. After that sine and cos will come. Here is I remove the sine square theta now. So total question is in the form of cos. So 1 plus cos theta by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta. So that these two are cancelled, 1 and 1 by cos theta means secant theta. So we get that answer. Observe the question from where we are going to where we are going to start, where we are going to stop. This is the most important. Sine, first I remove tan, next I remove sine. After that total question is in the form of cos theta. In these two questions, show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta into sin theta. So solution, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, so 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta means sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta means tan theta into sin theta. This is RHS. Just observe this, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So cos into cos square, 1 minus cos square by cos theta means sin square by cos theta. Split this sin square, sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta means tan theta into sin theta. Next one is simplify, means 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Just observe that a plus b into a minus b, this is 1 minus sin square theta into this one is 1 plus cot square theta means cosecant square theta. Sorry, 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta into this is cosecant square theta. So sin square theta into 1 by sin square theta. These two are cancelled. This is the 1. This is the simplification. This is the simplification. In these two questions, prove that secant theta into 1 minus sin theta and secant theta plus tan theta equal to 1. So first of all, we are going to take LHS secant theta into 1 minus sin theta into secant theta plus tan theta. Secant theta ones are secant theta, minus secant theta into sin theta. You can write directly secant theta into sin theta is tan theta. So secant theta into tan theta. I'll multiply these two. After that, secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta. Otherwise, you can write 1 by cos theta sin theta by cos theta equal tan theta. That is extra step 1. If you know that, directly you can write it. So secant square theta minus tan square theta, that equal to 1. This is the identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Next one is, if cosecant theta, so given cosecant theta equal root of n plus 1. That's why we are using, we can use the triangle method also. This is a root of n plus 1 by 1. So hypotenuse by opposite. So we can get adjacent side. You can write directly write cos theta. Otherwise you can write like this. So given cosecant theta, what is sin theta? 1 by cosecant theta. That is 1 by root of n plus 1. What is cos theta? Root of 1 minus sin square theta. So root of 1 minus sin square theta means 1 minus 1 by root n plus 1 whole square. So root of 1 plus 1 by n plus 1. Square, 1 square means 1. Root n plus 1 whole square means n plus 1. Root of n plus 1 ones are n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. So 1 cancel. So root of n by n plus 1. This is cos theta. So first think about that cosecant, cosecant to cos. So cosecant to sin, sin to cos. Cosecant to sin, sin to cos. That is the relation. Okay. In this question, if secant theta equal to m plus n by 2 root mn, find sin theta. So here secant theta is there, here sin theta is. So convert the secant theta into cos theta to sin theta. So we are going to secant theta to cos theta to sin theta. This is the procedure what we are going to follow. So LHS solution, secant theta equal to m plus n by 2 root mn. You can take this as a triangular method also like this. So hypotenuse by adjacent. This is theta means m plus n. This is 2 root mn. We get this answer after Pythagoras theorem. So finally we get sin theta. That is m minus n. Here opposite is m minus. So please see what is cos theta. 1 by secant theta. 1 by secant theta means reciprocal 2 root mn by m plus n. Now what is sin theta? Root of 1 minus cos square theta. So root of 1 minus 2 root mn by m plus n whole square. So 1 minus 4 mn by m plus n whole square. Now m plus n whole square minus 4 mn by m plus n whole square. Remember one thing, while you are doing this method, this is a plus b whole square minus 4a. Formula is a plus b whole square minus 4ab equal to a minus b whole square. This is the formula we are using. So directly you can write m minus n whole square by m plus n whole square. So it is nothing but m minus n by m plus n. This is sin theta value. This is sin theta value.